Good afternoon. It's a great honor to be recognized as a global leader in consulting. It's especially pleasing to be recognized for execution. While I'm very fortunate to get this award, it's really a recognition of our fantastic teams in government and public services and financial advisory at Deloitte around the world. This last year has been strange for us all. Everyone in the world has been impacted, and we've all had to do things differently and even do new things. And for me, this included stepping in as the interim global industry leader for our government and public services practice, and also leading that industry COVID response. At a time when government became central focus for everything, health, economy, even social issues, I was fortunate to be surrounded by a fantastic team from our global support, our executive, and across all our over 20,000 GPS practitioners around the world. And with this support, all I needed to do was make sure we stayed on course, which is a bit easier, and left the work to our fantastic teams. The pandemic is a global problem, and it needs a global solution. It's affecting every country and every citizen within those countries. And so at Deloitte, we used our global strength and put our teams together to support what is needed to develop the solutions, both for the individual issues and overall at government level. I'm so proud with how our teams pulled together and worked cross-border, cross-industry, and collaborated to bring the best of Deloitte to help solve those problems. And they really did bring for some fantastic solutions. Our teams have developed testing and tracing for governments around the world, from the physical infrastructure to the digital apps and the processes, and are now doing the same for the vaccine rollout. From the economic side and government responses, we gathered details of those government responses in over 120 countries and maintained real-time data on these movements that were happening hourly so that our clients could understand those changes across the globe and within particular countries. We also developed a tool for WHO and World Bank, considering the integration of the health and economic issues when you're trying to solve for reopening economies. These are truly amazing solutions that were developed at challenging times, and they focused on the real problems of our time. And we know that they not only solved our government clients' problems, but had a real impact down at citizen level, which is fantastic to hear. So while I'm the beneficiary of this amazing award, I really thank my family for giving me the support and space to do this role, but the great teams that I've been fortunate to work with at Deloitte during the last year, who despite the many challenges, stood up and delivered all that was needed to find those new solutions that our clients and citizens around the world needed. So thank you all.